I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your Monese account, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Open the Monese app. Launch the Monese app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to close. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the app, find and tap on the Settings icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Account Management. In the Settings menu, look for Account Management or a similar option. This is where you can manage your account settings. Step 4. Choose Close Account. Within Account Management, find the option to close account. Tap on it to proceed. You may be asked to confirm your decision. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you have any pending transactions or a balance, you might need to address those before closing your account. Good luck, and I hope this guide helps you out.